In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can blur out someone's face or even a moving object in your video without blurring the whole video. Let's give, for instance, a car is moving, you want to blur out the plate number, or you are in a multitude of people or in a crowd, you want to blur out their faces. So that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you how to do in this video. If you're coming across my content for the first time, I'm Chimadike, video editor and video editing coach, and on here I teach you how to edit your content. And with time, you're also going to be incorporating AI content. And if this kind of content resonates well with you, why not click on the subscribe button, so whenever I drop editing content, YouTube is going to be notifying you. Okay, that being said, let's go to CapCut. Let me show you how you can blur out faces or objects in a video. All right, we are in CapCut, so let's use this particular video. I was moving. Okay, I'm going to be blurring my face, and mind you, you can blur face, you can blur object. This crunch is here too, you can blur it if you want. All right, this is how you do it. So first of all, decide the place you want to blur out or start blurring out your face. When you have decided the part you want to work with, you are going to cut it out from the other video. Now on that clip you want to work with, you are going to go ahead and duplicate. Immediately you click on duplicate, you see that we now have two clips there. This is the first one and the other clip is the second one. At this point, go ahead and click on the first clip, click on effects, video effects, go to the search bar there and look for blur. Once you click on blur, you see that our first clip has been blurred. Let's now tackle the duplicated clip. Okay, so that clip, you're going to scroll till you find overlay. The overlay is going to take the duplicated clip under, then you push it under the first one you blurred. Okay, before we go to the next step, let's confirm that everything is in order. So we click on the first one, then we push down the overlay. Can you see that the one at the back is still blurred, but the overlay is not blurred? So we are still on the right track. Then we scroll down the toolbar till you find max. Okay, at this point I want you to be looking closely on the screen, so you're going to click on circle, then use your index finger and thumb and pinch the circle, okay, on my face. Once you have pinched it, you're going to go ahead and click on invert. Once you click on invert, you see that the blur will now be on my face, and this is simply because you inverted the overlay. Okay, so the blur will now be on the face of the subject. Case whereby you are blurring an object, okay, you are going to still repeat the same method. But if that object is moving or the subject is moving, all you have to do is to use keyframe. If you don't know how to use keyframe to do it, just comment in the comment section. I'm going to make a video about that. Okay, all right, if you followed all these steps I just showed you now, you can now successfully blur out any object or subject in a video without blurring the whole video. And if this video really helped you, why not click on the subscribe button, like this video, tell me the next content or editing content you want to be seeing on my page, and I'm going to make that video for you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to see you on the next one. God.